Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like it's snowing or it's winter on your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to effects and I'm going to just type in winter, and I am going to add the winter begins one, or is it the same as winter hues? Let me see actually. Whoops. What did I even add there? Nope. It's the winter begins one, and just apply it to your video. If you want to like start it when it's like already snowing, just right click, create compound clip. You do have to delete the beginning though. And then once you're done, you're going to just type in snow, and you're going to add in like snow effects, that the ones that look realistic. Probably not this one. I mean, you can probably add that, it's fine, but you do have to adjust the atmosphere a little bit, and you can also add in the snowfall one as well to it, and again adjust the atmosphere a little bit. Maybe the snowing one as well. Just keep layering between effects until you're pleased with it. I think this one's looking good already. And maybe if you want, just go to adjustments and adjust the hues a little bit, just the saturation and temps, to make it look like it's winter. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!